adventures today. I'm gonna help my mom cook.
Yes.
I added.
We're gonna make some hash browns.
Yes, I added this.
This is hash browns.
Yeah, and then I added
Yes.
oil, and
These are
I told
so
mom.
good. I love.
And I told my mom if we were gonna use salt, and I was right. So I know how to cook.
Whoops. Oops. Did you just put all that salt in there? There you go. Good. Maybe some oil. Add some oil in there.
More?
Yeah. We need to add it all over. Nice job. Good girl. What do you need now?
What do I do?
You just gotta move it around. You wanna break some eggs now? Ready? We're gonna make breakfast for lunch. It's only 11:40, but we're going to make some breakfast for lunch. Okay. Okie dokie, we're gonna put some egg. You gonna crack the eggs? Yeah?
Oh, wrong way.
Which
much
egg should
eggs?
you get?
How much eggs?
Let's do 4 eggs.
4.
4. Okay, cool. Cool. That's awesome. How many more?
4. 3 more.
3 more, good.
It would be funny if we added 5.
Wow. Good. Don't get any shell in there. Any shell? No? Awesome. How many more?
2 more.
2 more? Good girl. 4 minus 2 is?
4 minus 2 is
2. Good girl. What made you think there? Mix this. That's great. Good.
1 more egg.
1 more. Yes. You can put 5 if you want.
Okay. Or 6.
You really like eggs so much, huh? Alright, you can put 5.
I'm gonna
1
put
more, and I
in
think that's
6.
6. This plate's not gonna fit. Awesome! Uh-oh. Wait a minute, we got a little bit of shell there. Got it, got it. There you go. Alright, so,
Look what we found.
did you add salt?
Oh, I'm gonna add some salt.
No?
Ooh.
Good. Good job. So you mix it up.
I'm gonna crack these.
You gonna break the egg? Good, you got this, girl.
Oh, look at it. I'm just
Mix it up.
like it's like going up.
Good job. Love it. All right.
Look what I found.
Okay, don't pour it. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put this one here. And we're gonna take some butter. Dump the butter. Right? Sorry. Now, take one more piece of red. Do the same. Yep. Good girl. Yep. Keep doing for all of them. How's that going? You got it all done? That looks good. Good girl. Okie dokie. We are done with the hash browns. We're gonna go ahead. Okay. Eggs are ready.
That's mine.
I'm gonna put some milk in there. Halfway, right? That's good. That's good. Half. Some orange juice. Look at it. Need a cute cup. have two brothers and mom. You forgot mom?
But look, 1, 2, 3, 4.
There's only 3 meals, so.
And it's you and Leon and Mason. That makes 3, and that's mine.
No, honey. Water is water. You need water too. Okie dokie. Don't use your teeth.